Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing only the assets you need so the timeline stays uncluttered. Organize files into folders and apply consistent naming. Once done, set the project frame rate and resolution to match the target output so motion and scale remain predictable. Make sure layers are named with prefixes like char or fx to speed selection. Then create a new composition or scene and drag your first asset into the timeline at the intended start frame. This gets you into active editing immediately. You now position the item in world or screen space, using transforms and guided snapping to align precisely. This matters because small offsets break perceived weight. Then add motion with keyframes, apply easing to avoid robotic motion, and use motion paths for arcs. Once you've got the basic animation, parent secondary items, or group them so one control drives many elements, which saves time. Make sure to scrub and preview at reduced quality. This fast feedback loop helps you refine timing before final renders. You finish by precomposing or baking animations to consolidate effects and avoid unexpected shifts during export. Once composed, render a short test at full resolution and the real frame rate to validate motion, scale, and any alpha handling. If everything looks correct, export the sequence or package the asset with its metadata for reuse. If things go wrong, check cache and curve complexity. Stutter often means too many keys or missed cache. Simplify curves or clear, and rebuild the playback cache to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.